Assalamualaikum students, how are you? Hope you all are good and doing well. So students, we have been starting our second chapter, which is life and living things. In the previous lecture, we have covered two sense organs, that is eyes and ears. Today's topic is about skin, which is also a sense organ and is known as the sense organ of touch, through which we can feel or sense something by touching something, whether it's rough, is smooth or hard. So let's start reading. Skin. Our bodies are covered in skin. The skin stops germs and harmful chemicals getting into the body and also provides protection against sunlight. It also prevents the loss of water from the body. So students, in this paragraph, the function of skin is being discussed, that it protects our body from germs and harmful chemicals and also provide protection against sunlight, and other than that it also prevents the loss of water from the body. Layers of skin. So our skin has two main layers. The first one is inner layer, second one is outer layer, and the layer beneath all these two layers is fat layer, which also protect the skin from different germs or different diseases or different, and it basically protect organs. Scattered throughout the skin are nerve cells which are sensitive to touch, pressure and temperature. Some also give the sensation of pain. So students, in our skin, as you can see in this diagram, this one is the outer layer of skin, this one is the inner layer of skin, and this one is the innermost layer, which is known as fatty layer. Inside our skin there are many nerve cells, and these nerve cells are specific for something specific purposes. For example, these nerve cells are for touch, these are for heat, these are pressure sensitive, these are pain nerve ending sensitive, and these are some cold sensitive nerve cells. So in our skin, lots of nerve cells are present which are sensitive to some specific touch or heat or pain, etc. There are lots of nerve cells sensitive to touch on the fingertips, lips and tongue. Other than whole body, the cells that are sensitive to touch, they are present on our fingertips, through which we can easily feel the texture of something, lips and tongue. They tell you whether surfaces are hard, soft, rough or smooth. They are also at the root of every hair on your body. So these touch nerve cells are also present on every root hair of our body. There are two types of nerve cells that detect temperature. The front of the body has more nerve cells which are sensitive to heat than the back. This explains why your back tends to feel colder when you are in a cold place. So they are saying that in our body there are two types of nerve cells that detect the temperature. Our front part of the body has more nerve cells as compared to our back, and the front nerve cells are sensitive to heat and the back are sensitive to cold. That's why we feel colder when we are in a cold place. That's why we feel cold in our back areas. The sensation of pain tells you that something is wrong in the body. The other one is the nerve cells of pain, which tells you that something is wrong in the body. And what detect the pain? The free pain nerve endings which are present on our body, they detect the pain, and they are just found all over our skin and inside the body. Brown or black coloring in the skin absorb harmful sunlight. So students, those who have brown or black color in the skin, they have more tendency to absorb harmful sunlight, so they can prevent our inner organs and inner part of the body from harmful effects of sunlight. And people with little or no skin coloring are easily sunburned. So the people that have less color or that have much fair color, they are not absorbent to sunlight and therefore they can easily get sunburn. Did you know the skin is the largest organ in the human body? It has a surface area of about 2 square meters. So students, let's discuss the test yourself. Question number 1. What job does the skin do? The skin stops germs and harmful chemicals getting into the body and also provides protection against sunlight. It also prevents the loss of water from the body. Question number 2. How many layers are there in the skin? What are they called? The skin has 2 main layers, the inner layer and the outer layer with a layer of fat beneath. Question number 3. If someone gently strokes the hairs in the back of your neck, you feel a tingling sensation. Explain why. Answer is, scattered throughout the skin are nerve cells which are sensitive to touch, pressure and temperature. Some also give the sensation of pain. Question number 4. Explain why you feel warmer if you stand with your back to a fire. Answer. We feel warmer if we stand with our back to fire because there are nerve cells on our back which give heat sensation. So students, this is all about test yourself of skin. Take care students. Allah Hafiz. Thank you so much.